Hello there, and welcome to Baboon combo cards of the day for today, July the 19th. All right, if this is your first time stopping by, I want to say thank you to you. I appreciate you so much. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know what? You know what I say? Eshepu podalu emailer. Nagode. Obrigado. Namaste. Mieti. Ogambaki. Midawase. Xie. Gracias. Gracias TB. And Noah. All right. If I've not said thank you in your own dialect, please tell me in the comments where you're watching from and how to say thank you so I can tell you thank you very much. I appreciate you so much, sincerely, from the bottom of my heart. So go ahead and subscribe if you're here to subscribe. Smash the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I drop the next video for you. And like and share these videos. Okay. And if you're here to join Baboon, get started immediately. Get link in the description. Also join our Telegram channel where you will get quality information, education, and training to thrive in Web3. Link in the description. So now before we get to the combo for Baboon, my battery recharge, look at where it is right now. If you check here, you can see this is already 4.6%. There's a need for me to do battery repair, but the battery is almost bad. See, and it's going down. So there's a need to do repair. So I just tap here and I'll pay 97.6 to repair. That's the price for me to repair the battery. So I'm going to pay. Okay, it's back to 100%. So I can now confidently can see it's full almost immediately. So you keep tapping until it turns green. Keep tapping until it turns green. Good. So beautiful. Now you can see, wow, you can see it's now gathering plenty Baboon coins. Beautiful. So that's it. So now let's remember to do the quest of the day. Let's get there and check what's there. Claim. Okay. Claim this. Oh, that's to be joining partners. I really never intended for this, but let's go back, please. You go ahead and do all those things and come back here. Go to mine. Okay, so now this bamboo thing, you have to be very sharp to really grab it. So the battery levels for the combo is like, the first one is, should I say, more than 3/4 full, and the next one is almost 1/4, almost empty, and then the third one is fuller than the other one. So I don't know, but just watch me. Let me see. Let's see if I can get it. Go. Stop. Oh no, that's not it. I have to restart. Go back. Return. Okay. No, it's too full. Okay. See the one that's yes, this one is okay. This one is okay. Oh no, this one is too. No, I need to restart. See, it's so funny. Yep. Well, let's see. No. This one should come down for that. I have to. Oh, should I claim? Oh my God. No. I don't want to claim yet now. It's not yet what I want. Let's go back. Let's return. Okay. Go up. Oh no. Return. Okay. Leave it there. No, this is it. This is not it. No. Hey. Oh my goodness. This one you really need to. Okay. Let's leave it there. In short, 70%. I'm not claiming this. This is 70%. No, I don't want it. I still want full. Let's go back. It's refused. Okay, let's grab it anyway. 70%. Okay. 70%. Okay, no wahala. That's what I got. 70%. All right, but then there you have it. So just try and do better than me. Okay, congratulations. Go ahead and like and share the video. Let your friends know. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.